viewers, welcome to my channel The Math Habit. Today I am here again with another math problem in which we have to find the value of a, where we have a plus 5 is equal to a and a belongs to the real numbers. So let's have a solution. If a plus 5 is equal to a, then 5 can be equal to a minus a, and 5 can't be equal to 0, so this is not the real solution. Let's try another one where we can write x is equal to y, x square is equal to y square, so the absolute value of x can be equal to absolute value of y. So this problem can be solved as a plus 5 whole square is equal to a square. I just took the square on both sides of the equation according to these impressions. So a plus 5 into a plus 5 is equal to a square plus 5a plus 5a again plus 5 into 5, 25 is equal to a square. I'll just move this a square to this side of the equation with the opposite sign. So a square minus a square plus 10a plus 25 whole equal to 0. This and this will be cancelled out and we'll only have 10a plus 25 is equal to 0. 10a will be equal to minus 25 and a will be equal to minus 25 by 10. A is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is the answer to this problem, but it is the time to verify the answer whether it is verifying the equation or not. So a plus 5 is equal to a. By putting the values of a in it, we'll get minus 5 by 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here we'll have 2 minus 5 plus 5 to the 10 is equal to minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2, but these both can't be equal to each other. So here we have found that this problem has no real solution, but there is an option because the absolute value of x can be equal to the absolute value of y. So if we use here the absolute values on both sides of the equation, then we can have the real solution. This will be equal to 5 by 2 with the positive sign. So it is proved that a is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the real answer to this math problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video and never forget to subscribe my channel. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.